Myron here with Tri-City Detail. Coming up, we have a Ford F150 that is getting interior detail on it and exterior cleaning because the paint's a little bit faded on this, so we're gonna bring a shine back into this, protect the paint, and we're cleaning up the motor as well. Coming up, check it out. So upon receiving this truck, as you can see, it does need some cleaning up. There's bugs on the paint that we're gonna get those off. Gonna get the engine cleaned up as well and dress. We're gonna get this truck looking really good after we're all done with it. Get this interior all cleaned up, rubber mats clean, everything vacuumed and shampooed. First thing we're gonna do is use our interior solution. Using air tools to get stuff out of the cracks and crevices will help make cleaning a lot easier. When cleaning the motor, we'll mist it down and then we spray our all-purpose exterior cleaner on there, otherwise known as exterior solution. And we'll use some brushes, clean that up as well. This vehicle just needs a light polish, so we're going to use our impressive 2-in-1 polish on here. That will do great in bringing back some shine back into this finish and removing some minor defects as well. Our blackout tire dressing is great for the tires. It doesn't sling, helps brighten them up. And to protect the paint, we're using our Speed Coat ceramic spray. The blackout not only works well for the tires, but it also for the trim of the vehicle to help brighten it up and to protect it as well. And you can use it in the spray and bed liner. Now keep in mind, for using it in the spray and bed liner, it will add a little bit of slick surface to that. As you can see, there is a nice gloss in the finish of this vehicle. Looking much better now, cleaned up, seats are conditioned, vinyl surfaces are conditioned and cleaned. Dials, control knobs, steering wheels are all cleaned as well. Tires and wheels are looking great on this vehicle. Another one done here at Tri-City Detail. Who's next? Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.